And now the purple dusk of twilight time steals across the meadow of my heart. High up in the sky the little stars climb, always reminding me that we're apart. You wander down the lane and far away, leaving me a song that will not die. Love is now the stardust of yesterday, the music of the years gone by. Sometimes I wonder why I spend the lonely night, dreaming of a song. The melody haunts my reverie, and I am once again with you, when our love was new, and each kiss an inspiration. But that was long ago now. My consolation is in the stardust of a song, beside a garden wall when stars are bright. You are in my arms. The nightingale tells his fairy tale of paradise where roses grew, though I dream in vain. In my heart it will remain, my stardust melody, the memory of love's refrain. Sometimes I wonder why I spend the lonely night